Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a drop-down with dynamic options from a database table. Let's open our advanced form. Let's add a new drop-down field. Open the drop-down Advanced Settings and enable the Dynamic Options setting. This is a premium feature and will not work if you test the form on the front end of your website unless you validate your ChronoForms7 installation. We need a data source to feed the options data to our dropdown. For this we will use a read data action. Let's switch to the Actions editor and drag a read data action. The read data action should be on the same page of the dropdown. Open the Read Data settings. We are going to read the users list on our website, so let's enter a relevant model name, and choose the users table, then make sure all records are being read. Let's switch back to our dropdown and set our data source to the Read Data action. Each option will have a data variable available with the whole user record data. Let's set the options value to the user's email address and the options text to the user's name. We don't need the default options, so let's remove them. I'm going to add a default empty option to the drop-down and will set the drop-down to have a clearable button. Now let's save and test the form. Here the drop-down has a list of the users on our website and we can clear the selected value. Now let me show you how to get the selected value and use it in a notification message, for example. We are going to use the ChronoForms data shortcode. For this we need to use the drop-down's field name, so let's copy that. Let's add a message action to the form's end page. Here I will write a message and will include the selected user's email address. You could use the same shortcode anywhere you like. Let's save the form and test how the message will look like. Our message includes the value from our dropdown, which is the user's email address.